How's it going, everyone? Cole back with you from Kelowna Chevrolet. Behind me is all-wheel drive Nissan Rogue SL. Let me show you around. Powering the all-wheel drivetrain is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, getting you roughly 7 to 10 liters per 100 kilometers. You got these real nice alloy wheels, along with the tinted windows in the back, roof rails up top if you want to add a roof rack. Come around back here. You have the power liftgate. As you see there, you have the cargo cover, and you also have the additional multi-use storage trays down below. To close the power liftgate, you just have the button up top here. One previous owner on the unit, as well as it's certified pre-owned. You've got the chrome door handles and color matching mirrors. And coming inside here, you got the nice door panels, you got seat memory, along with your window and mirror controls, soft touch armrest, got the leather seats that are powered and heated in the front. And down below here you have a heated steering wheel, all-wheel drive lock, sport, eco, power liftgate, gas. And then you also have your sensor and traction control. Audio and hands-free and cruise control, and this one actually has adaptive cruise control, so it controls the gap to the car in front of you. Here is your dash. It is rating 39,439 kilometers currently. Infotainment screen, you got the dual zone climate control. Little storage tray down below there with a USB and auxiliary input. Gear select, cup holders, heated seats here, and you have your center console. And coming into the back seat here, 60/40 folding rear seats. To pull them down, you just have a little tab up top here. You got the cup holders in the middle here, and you also have this panoramic sunroof. Thank you guys for watching this video on the 2018 Nissan Rogue SL. If you have any questions about this midsize SUV, feel free to reach out to us 250-860-6000, or you could always drop by our dealership and one of our sales team members will be able to help you out. Thank you guys again. Have yourselves a great day. Bye for now.